So you're ready to start tracking your open source usage with Scarf. Fantastic. Let's start by creating a free account. Begin by visiting app.scarf.sh/register and adding your information, or use the link below to create an account using your GitHub profile. I already have an account, so I'll use the link below to log in. But you can also use the link on the Scarf website. Be sure to add the sign-in page to your bookmarks bar in your browser to get here faster in the future. Next, we'll need to create our organization. Creating an organization with Scarf is a quick and easy process. Select Create Organization and provide a name, a description, your website, and an email. Your Scarf organization allows you to collect and associate all project-related activity, no matter where it occurs, underneath the organization hierarchy. This gives you the ability to see a complete picture of that overall activity in aggregated analytics. You can have multiple organizations if, for instance, you have multiple projects that you'd like to track. Now we need to set up pixels or packages so that we can track user activity with our artifacts and get a better understanding of where users are on their journey with our OSS. Pixels will track views of our website or documentation, while packages will help us track download activity as well as telemetry or usage data. Let's start with setting up a pixel to better understand the traffic to our README docs. I can do this in the future by using the blue plus sign at the top of my screen here, or by going to Tools and selecting Pixels or Packages. But since we're just getting started, I'll use the link on my home page. Provide a name for your pixel, and make sure that it's associated with the correct organization here in the owner field, which in this case will default to the organization I've just created. Next, I have an option to associate my pixel to a package. This will allow me to see the analytics for both my pixel and associated package in the same place. But this is completely optional, and we'll skip this step for our purposes today. Last but certainly not least is the pixel importance. You can influence Scarf's lead scoring by adjusting the pixel or package importance here. For instance, you may find that visits to the install documentation are far more indicative of purchase intent than visits to your blog or your website homepage. Setting the pixel or package importance helps Scarf weight and score the usage of these higher priority items appropriately. You can edit this at any time, so don't worry about perfection. Now we'll submit, and our pixel is ready to be added to our website or our documentation. You can work with a website or documentation admin to have the pixel added to the appropriate location on your site or docs using the pixel snippet or URL, which can easily be copied here. Setting up a package follows a similar process. Once you've configured your tracking, usage information will begin flowing over to Scarf, giving you a chance to view important data, such as which versions of your OSS are in use most commonly, where it's being used, and by which organizations. As more usage data collects, you'll be able to determine which older and unused versions of your OSS are safe to deprecate, or identify the most engaged companies and take the next steps to move them to your paid offerings. If you have questions or need help setting up your pixels or packages, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team using the support chat in the app, or feel free to reach out to your client success manager. Congratulations! You are now well on your way to a comprehensive view of your OSS usage with Scarf.